Alright, YouTube, what's going on, guys? Bro, Overtime King back and save another video, man, with the sun in my face. Oh, that's not any better. As you guys see by the title, today we are at the Carolina, exotic car show. They got two. They got one at the end of the month and they got one in the middle of the month. I'm at the one at the middle of the month right now. Yeah, we got two car shows today, man. The Carolina Exotic Car Club, and then we got the GTR car show I'm gonna go to next in Greensboro. And yeah, thank you guys all so much for 4,000 subscribers once again. Like I said, it's crazy, man. And by the time I post the video, I'll probably be at 5,000. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys all in the next clip, I guess. Let's see, we got this old school right here. Sheesh. Yeah, this is a real old school right here, bro. You got the tire on the side, skinny tires. You got a Rolls Royce. Damn, crazy. Great coupon.
This is an age question. Great coupon?
Yeah.
You know what it means?
No.
Look it up on YouTube.
Okay. Got a few Porsches over here. By a few, I mean a lot, because there's more over here. But no, this blue GT3 right here, I like this one the best. There's an R8 down there. But yeah, another GT3, 600 LT, California, R8. My boy. And the new Huracan STO. Absolutely best spec I ever seen in my life, man. Thank God I get to take my pictures of this thing too. Got a roof scoop on top, purple, red, little thing in the middle right there. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, man, this thing's amazing, bro. This best STO I ever seen, to be honest. And there's another STO in there too. And you got an F8 Tributo right here. This one I just seen pull in earlier. This car here is Ashton Farm's car. Is he in here? I don't know what color you call this, but it's like a matte blue, I guess. A little bit closer, yeah, it's like a matte blue. Man, that's actual scuff mark right here. We got Po Drago's GT500 right here. We got on the 5.0. It broke on. Oh, they might have spin back. Jesus. That sounds amazing, bro. What the hell? Sounds fire. We got TTRS behind it. Look at this R8. Fucking hell, man. We got a clown shoe right here, as I can see. A perfectly good clown shoe. Nice, Camaro SS. Now, if I were ever get a Camaro, I literally get it in this spec right here. This is literally what I want if I get a Camaro right here, bro. Like, there's nothing you could change about it. We got the wing back here, red color, Brembos. It's lowered down to perfect suspension. This thing is literally perfect, but it's probably a manual, to be honest, because most Camaros aren't manual. Yeah, they're manual. So, gotta learn how to drive a manual, typically. Nice, bro. Nice. Boy, Pablo. Yes, sir. We're from Chicago? Word? This thing right here, my boy. So we got one STL here. We got another one. The green GT3 RS. Jeez, look at this wing though, man. This is why I love the GT3 RS's. It's carbon fiber wing. We got a GT3. And then the STOs. I don't know why, but this one actually has like a plate on it, like someone owns it. But I know no one owns this car. And we got another STO down there. This one's fire. Got two Huracans right here. But look at this wing though, bro. Let me know what y'all think about this wing right here. This thing's like mounted at the bottom, but like it's just like super duper huge. I think it would look better if like the whole like back was gone, I don't know about this Huracan. This one's a little bit skeptical. Then we got another Huracan right here. Then just a regular LP610. I can finally actually record in this place. I remember last car show wasn't really that good, so I just grabbed a video. But yeah, for the most part, I have the same cars in here. F8. This color is actually like some type of like light blue, but on camera it's picking up silver. Got another F8, 458. We gotta love them NA V8s right here, you guys. Got the old schools back here. Two more 458s. This color is actually pretty fucking sick, I ain't gonna lie. With the peanut butter inside, the brown is actually nice. Let me see what's over here real quick though. I think there might be some good stuff in here. Audi, C5, Mercedes. Might be a Demon, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. And the Aston Martin. And let me know if you guys would actually pay like 130K for this car. Or would you get this Ferrari that's probably like 130K. But you'll get more looks with this car. Even though this car's faster. But it's lucid though, man. The gold color. I mean, it's actually a nice looking car, but it's electric, so, I don't really agree with electric cars, to be honest. And also, this GTR over here actually is owned by Moon Garage. The guy, I know this guy, but It's like a T-spec, I guess it's really rare. But it's just, you know, just a couple, you know, whatnots back here. Got another Vet C6006. Nice. How much is this? 52K? You know, I actually would buy this if I had the money, to be honest. And it's a manual, so. Got a Porsche on in. Oh, Mustang. Jeez. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Oh, the fucking sign cock blocked. But we got Calavino just rolled in, 4 of 8. Absolutely the best sounding Y I ever heard. Straight pipe, I guess, or either exhaust on it. Hell, that dude is loud as fuck, bro. Yeah, we got a good time, I'm not gonna lie to you. These GT3 and another GT3.
Them hoes fire.
Ouch. Smells great. It does, bro. Does a donut. For real. Woo. Lord Jesus. Good God, man. Wait. Fucking hell.
God damn! What's wrong?
Yo. It's gonna blow up if you rev it.
zoom in.
Man, damn, nice. It smells great.
Big